Insects for me are a hard no. I don't think I could do that.
There are a lot of them here.
You know why? Because it's an entire kebab. If it was like one insect, maybe.
And I think that's a snake. It looks like a snake.
It sure does look like a snake.
I don't think I could do that one.
That's like a centipede. That's a snake. That's a scorpion.
That's a whole scorpion.
That's like a cricket. That's a worm.
I did
larva.
one little ones.
Yeah, like one little one. I would do one.
Yeah.
Oh wait, so they fry them up?
Oh, I guess so.
Oh, all right. Fried grasshopper. Okay.
Ready? Ding.
That's not bad.
Not bad. It's crispy. Tastes like a chip.
It kind of like potato chips.
Would you eat another one?
Yeah. I could eat it.
I think you got a leg still on there.
I don't have to remind myself of what I'm eating. I can't get mine off very well.
Yeah, it doesn't pull very well. I think you're meant to.
Did you think this morning you'd be having grasshopper
I did not.
as your like late time snack?
It's a nice afternoon snack, right? Just a little pick-me-upper.
It's a different. That was a nice afternoon snack.
It's different.
It's not bad.
It's unique.
Insects aren't the only thing on the menu in Chongqing. We also tried kaoshi pea, a classic Chinese street food made with sweet potato flour pasta-like sheets. These sheets are grilled and generously slathered in chili paste and seasonings. Then they are topped with various fillings. Ours had pork, scallions, and pickled radish. Skewers held everything together, making it a tasty treat.
You ready to dig in?
I am, but I gotta wait till it cools off a little bit.
Yeah, it's a little hot, but
Can you believe this big thing is like $1.50?
$1.50?
$1.50.
Wow, that's a really good deal.
That's a great deal.
That's a meal right here.
Yeah. This is good.
Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts.